how to make Studio Ghibli images and memes for free. If you want to make studio style Ghibli images and memes for free, now you know that we could do this from ChatGPT, but ChatGPT needed a premium plan for you to be able to generate a studio style Ghibli images. But we're going to try to figure out how we can do this for absolutely zero cost. So first you want to open your browser and search for Ghibli image generator free. You'll find many websites like Photo AI or the insmind.com and other options. I will just select the first link, which is insmind.com. Now here we can simply upload a photo that we want to convert to Ghibli. So tap the upload button and go ahead and select a certain image right there. After you do that, you can go ahead and hit the generate button. So you can choose some of the templates. It will ask you to create just an account so you can directly sync with your Google account. And when you've done that, you'll be asked to continue it. It will generate the image for you, and then you'll be able to go ahead and then download the images that you created for absolutely free. This way you can go ahead and then make Studio Ghibli images and memes as well for free. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.